Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chemistry Made Easy with Monica. So now I am here with second classification, that is classification of bases from second chapter, acid, bases and salts. So classification of bases can be done in three ways: based on ionization, based on concentration, based on their acidity. Now what is acidity of base? That we will understand. First of all, on the basis of ionization, there can be two types of bases: strong base and weak base. Now, what is a strong base? These bases ionize completely. जितने भी मॉलिक्यूल बेस के होंगे सॉल्यूशन में, वो सब के सब आयोनाइज हो जाएंगे. कंप्लीट आयोनाइजेशन. यहाँ देखिए B+OH था, तो जितने भी B और BOH थे वो सारे की सारे अलग अलग हो गए. जैसे सपोज यहाँ हम NaOH ले लें, तो जितने भी NaOH के मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं वो सब के सब ब्रेक हो जाएंगे और अलग हो जाएंगे. ये KOH है तो वो भी ब्रेक होके अलग अलग हो जाएंगे Na+ और OH- या K+ और OH- में. Whereas weak bases they ionize partially. 100% इनका आयोनाइजेशन नहीं होगा, they ionize partially. Some of the molecules of BOH, what is B? B stands for NH4OH or Ca, any metal ion. So they are not ionized completely. Two of them are still remaining to be ionized. So when there is partial ionization, it is a weak base. Where there is a complete ionization, that's a strong base. Now if we talk about the concentration of base, on the basis of concentration, how can we classify? See, first of all, any base which is dissolved in water is called as alkali. So we will not say concentrated base and concentrated or dilute base. We will say concentrated alkali and dilute alkali. Why? Because all those bases which dissolve in water are called as alkalis. They are no more bases. They are not called bases. Now they are bases, but they are not called bases. Now they are called as alkalis. So what is an alkali? An alkali having relatively higher percentage of alkali, that is what? OH in its aqueous solution. That is a concentrated alkali. And dilute alkali is the alkali having relatively lower percentage of alkali or OH ions in its solution. Now based on its acidity, what is acidity of base? Number of ionizable hydroxide ions, OH ions present in one molecule of base. For example, if I say KOH or NaOH, only one OH is present. So it is called as monoacidic base. A base which ionizes to give one OH ion per molecule. That is monoacidic base. In my previous video, I have told you about monobasic acid. So here, that was classification of acid. Now here it is classification of base. So it is monoacidic base. What is diacidic base? It ionizes to give 2 OH ions per molecule. CaOH whole twice or MgOH whole twice. Triacidic base, it ionizes to give 3 OH ions per molecules. AlOH whole thrice. FeOH whole thrice. So it will break from here and it will give 3 OH ions. If it breaks from here, it will give 3 OH ions. Now what is the difference between a base and alkali? Very important question from examination point of view. All bases do not dissolve in water. Those bases that dissolve in water are called alkali. That means alkali is also a base, isn't it? But all bases are not able to dissolve. That is why all bases are not alkali, but all alkalis are bases. It neutralizes acids. The base can neutralize acid. कौन कौन सी base करते हैं? Generally ZnOH whole twice, CuOH whole twice, and this alkali, it releases OH ions, accepts proton. It releases OH ions and then it accepts protons. So this is the difference between base and alkali. Now let us come to the classification of salts. First of all, how is a salt formed? A salt is formed when an acid reacts with a base. Salts are the ionic compounds which are produced after the neutralization reaction between acid and base. Acid and base reactions are neutralization reactions. Because they neutralize each other, then only a product is formed. They are electrically neutral. They may be transparent, opaque, odorless, colorless, or colored. This is all about salts. What are the properties of salts? Now salts can be classified as neutral salt, acidic salt, basic salt, or double salt. What is a neutral salt? When a strong base reacts with strong acid, it gives a salt whose pH is 7. Then that means NaOH is a strong base, HCl is a strong acid, they give NaCl. NaOH strong base, H2SO4 strong acid, Na2SO4 neutral base. Along with that, all the time they will be giving water molecule. So KOH plus HCl, KCl plus H2O. This is all about neutral salts. If we talk about acidic salts, when the reaction is between weak base and strong acid, NH4OH weak base, strong acid, HCl is strong acid, H2SO4 is strong acid. Now when this weak base reacts with any of this strong acid, it will give a acidic salt. It will give a acidic salt along with water. Now the pH of this acidic salt will be lower than 7. What are basic salts? When a weak salt reacts with strong base. Base strong hai yahan pe. Salt weak hai. This is carbonic acid. This is acetic acid. This acid is weak. Base is strong. So it will form a basic salt. Na2CO3, washing soda and sodium acetate along with water. Now this double salts, this you will be doing in your 11th and 12th. Just I am giving you one equation, definition. Double salts are formed by the combination of saturated solution of two simple salts in equimolar ratio followed by crystallization. Example is potash, alum. These three are important for your 8th, 9th and 10th. This you will be doing in your senior classes. So I am just giving you definition of the double salt. Okay, so now we have done with classification of bases and salts in this video. Next video I will be giving you chemical properties of acids and bases. Till then, bye bye, take care.